I just want to talk to somebody. If you know that you are broke, you got nothing in your bank account, and you want to make money, you want to be a millionaire, billionaire, the thing is, you better start now. It's up to you to live or exist in this world. Listen, we are living in a world where nobody cares about the poor. I mean, your president, your politicians, your leaders, your lecturers. Nobody cares about you. Whether you are struggling to eat, haven't gotten a place to sleep, you find it difficult to live, nobody will ever put money in your pocket. So if you don't fight for yourself, bro, nobody will ever do that for you. So the first thing, nobody cares about you. Next, you better start making money before it's too late. When you see that Benz, Bugatti, Ferrari, Range Rover, that building, and you ask yourself, how can I buy this? The prices sound crazy in your ears. The question is, you can't even buy now. What about the next 10 years, the next 20 years to come? Bro, the prices of those cars, the prices of those buildings will always go up. So if you don't start making money now, you can't own any of them. So you better start before it's too late. Prices of things are increasing, high inflation. Things will always be difficult and be more difficult in the next 10 years, the next 20 years, and you can't even live now. How can you survive in the next coming years? So if you have something to do, bro, sis, mom, dad, you better start now before it's too late. The goal of this video is to motivate you to start with whatever that you have. Start now before it's too late. If you have something to do, start now, bro. Let's move on to the next reason why you have to start now before it's too late. But before then, hit the like button if you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe to join the community for free. Over here I take you through financial freedom. The goal is to build three things: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. So without wasting much of your time, let's move on to the next reason why you have to start now before it's too late. Start making money now because generations count on you. Once upon a time, there were people called your great grandparents. If those people did something better for your family, your mom, your dad wouldn't have been suffering, which has ended you in such situation. You can't blame them. They were okay with their life. They didn't prepare for the next generation. They were absolutely okay with whatever they have. And you know what? You are reaping the fruit from the seed that they sow. And if you are not okay with this life, are you gonna make your next generations also suffer? No. Change the life of the next generation. Generations depends on you. Generations count on you. So if you have something to do it now for them. If not for generations, what about your own children? Are you gonna make them suffer? No. So you better start making money now for them. If you fail to do this for your next generations, then I tell you from the Bible, you are not a good father. Because when you read Proverbs chapter 13, the verse 22, a good father leaves inheritance for their children's children, but a sinner's wealth is stored up for the righteous. You have to do something to change the lives of your next generations. I mean, they can suffer. Lay down a good foundation for them so that when they come, they can build up. Start making money before it's too late. Start making money because generations count on you. I mean, your children, your wife, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your society, the country count on you. If you are not ready to make life easier for that child, then as a brother, as a person who speaks the truth, don't even give birth to that child in the first place, because it's a sin to do that. You know the current situation, you know how the world is going, you know that things are becoming difficult and more difficult. So don't give birth to that child to come and suffer. If you are not going to leave something better for him, if you are not going to do something better to change the life of that child, next thing that I would tell you, start making money now, because your job will soon be replaced by AI or a robot. Back in the days, people were making money because there was a demand for website developers, graphic designers, video editors, bloggers, coders, and so on. But you know what? Now with just a click, an AI website or robot can do the entire work for you. So if you are a blogger, a graphic designer, video editor, coder, whatever that you are, your job will soon be replaced with an AI. So you better start making money with the skills that you have now, because nobody wanna pay for your service in the next coming years. They will rather subscribe to AI website to do their entire work for them. So start making money with the skill that you have before it's too late. AI and robots are taking all over the world. ChatGPT is doing a whole lot of work for people. So your skill, your job will soon be replaced by an AI. So make money now before it's too late. Don't sit there and be thinking that you are already employed. Very soon your salary will be divided into two. A company will employ you just to come and operate the AI or the robot. So do something before it's too late. Start making money now. AI will soon make your salary be divided into two or be replaced by that AI. So start making money now. A lot of bachelor's degrees holders, their jobs can be replaced by an AI or a robot. So start making money now before it's too late. The next coming years, your job will soon be replaced by an AI or a robot. Hey, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational purpose. Make sure you do your own research before you carry on any activity. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. The goal is to build three things: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. You can call me Speezy, table with Speezy, the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. It is all about success. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.